Today's time is 2:47 in the morning. I have to actually leave now to head to the airport because we're going to California for IFO. Random, but picked up some dope SBs today. These are what you would like to call fire. Just thought I'd share that with you in case you guys collect, not collect, but like the Nike SBs. I do. I want to start getting more of them because SB's been my favorite for a minute. I did my Jordan phase. Now I want to get hella SBs. So if you got any SBs for sale, size 10.5 or 11, please let me know. Thank you. All right, let's get ready and go to California. So I'm at the airport. I'm vlogging. I'm on the phone with my mom, and I just tried to check in for my flight. My flight is tomorrow. So oh my God. I'm on no sleep. Drove an hour and a half, parked the car at this place. Now I gotta call them I gotta lift me back. Where am I? Same time, 24 hours later. I'm here. What's up, Cali? I am in California right now. I am at the Commerce Casino. I'm in Commerce, California, obviously. And now, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. If you don't know, I'm in California for 2 days for an import face-off that's happening tomorrow at Fontana Auto Speedway. I think that's what the name of it. From like 8 to 5, I was offered a gig. Well, what is it, like a job? I don't know. But Cliff, the guy that runs IFO, he wanted me to come out and like do my thug dizzle. So I'm here to do my thug dizzle. And that's what it is. I'm running on like no sleep. That plane ride was actually not that bad, but I need some sleep, so I'm taking a quick power nap, and then from there we're gonna get this vlog crack-a-lacking officially with some good stuff. Me, Keegan, and a guy named Tanner. He's a cop in Houston, but he's down with us. We're gonna do some exploring around California. So hopefully get some cool stuff popping along, and yup. And here is our rental car for the weekend. 717 horse-powered Hellcat, baby. This is what we have for the weekend. Oh yeah. So it's dinner time. We're at the Commerce Casino. What is this place called? This is called the Arena. Oh, yeah, I forgot. So we're at the Arena, and we came here earlier for lunch. I didn't film it because, I don't know, I suck at YouTubing sometimes. But for dinner tonight, not sure what I'm gonna get. Gotta get something good. Fill these bones. Or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But then other than that, tonight's gigs is to go down to Hollywood Boulevard and have some fun out there. So, oh, I also met the Hector from Fast and Furious, so that was pretty cool. He's coming to dinner? Yeah, he's coming to dinner with us too, so you guys will be able to meet him too. So that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, baby. Let's get it. I got to get on right. I'll get back in the phone. Quick update. I'm actually smiling, but I doubt you could see it. It's like, wait, what time is it? It's 5:48 in the morning. Last night we didn't do anything. Like, we did go to Hollywood, like West Hollywood. Went to Beverly Hills, and I got extra more motivated to ruin my life by wanting to be famous so I can have depression and probably die from a drug overdose. But it was cool because I seen some dope cars. I had to see like 10 celebrities last night. I didn't see them, but I know, like, driving past these nice ass cars, there are celebrities in that John. I think I seen Schoolboy Q, that would have been dope. But it's morning. Cliff's taking a shit. Sorry, Cliff threw under the bus, but you know what I mean. Gotta update the vlog on what's going on. We're getting ready to go to Fontana, California for IFO, which is Cliff's event, which is why I'm in California. So shout out to Cliff for that. Yeah, so this vlog, I guess, is going to be an all-in-one vlog of IFO coverage and traveling and I should be picking up 2 pairs of FSBs while I'm in California, so that's cool too. So yeah, buddy. All right, so I'll check back in with you when we get to IFO. So we're live at IFO. It's like an hour and a half into the show, and I hope I get some great vlog footage for you guys. I'm not too sure. When it comes to vlogging this stuff, I suck ass. So I'm gonna try my best not to suck some ass this vlog, and you got some quality, entertaining stuff. I can at least try. So if not, then I failed. So it's like 2 o'clock, and I'm just now vlogging the IFO event because I'm actually working a bit. I got a job today, so I did that, and this is what's going on right now. So I got Jamil here. What's up, Jamil, though? Yeah, we just found out like an hour ago that Kobe Bryant and his daughter died. So that sucks, man.
You know your neighbors hate you when you wake up and you give it that cold start.
There ain't no car, so if y'all want to get paid for some juice that, I don't know if this is working, but I'm gonna do a comedy special. This is my first stand-up. Hope I make it.
There's a dude who was up my butt for the entire day.
Wait, what you just said? Yo, move up! Man, come on!
I don't see nobody.
I think they're scared. Let's get children are running. What? Yeah. Like this? Oh, there you go.
All right, Evo!
You don't want to see it, but I have a mankini right now. It's bright, same color, just in case things go wild. Please don't let your car hit me or some of these loving people, and those kids over there, and 4 of these people that are in front of your car I like. So we don't want to hit them. It's a safety thing. 3 most important things are safety, 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 and safety. All right, let's get started with who was Zosh? Who to start with? We got 2 white cars pulled up. We got the Jenny Coupe, and we got our Mitsubishi. Where do you want to start?
Evo.
Evo. We want to start with the Evo. Hey, talk to that driver. Let's find out what's going on with our Evo driver. Who are they? Where are they from? Where's the rap sheet?
What's up, dog? What's going on? What's up?
Jerry from Huntington Beach. It's a stock Evo.
Hey, that's all that matters.
I didn't hear a thing you said. Who is it? His name's Jerry?
My man, Jerry from Long Beach.
Jerry from Long Beach.
Let's go.
Oh, man. They wrote songs about that. All right, Jerry. Count of 3. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you got to have more, Jerry. Okay, let's hear the Jenny Coupe.
Let's go.
My man, in 3, 2, 1, go! We're gonna ask the crowd who's their favorite. Let's find out.
Let's hear it for the Evo.
Let me hear if you want the Evo. Do you want me here for the white Evo? This dude brought 6 friends in the crowd. Cheer. All right, let's hear it for the white Genesis Coupe. That was not all of you, but I think we have. Do we have a victor? I think we have a victor in this round. All right, Evo, we're going to have you pull forward slowly and right this way. That's where we're going to have you pull through. Guys, someone came over here earlier. What's your name?
Armand.
Armand. Okay, great. You ready? You confident? Not really. That's how you get laid. Not be confident at all. Really, Armand? All right, let's hear the Subaru in 3, 2, 1, go! Males and their masculinity. Let's bring some female power into this. This is a damn pretty Lexus. We're gonna have you come forward, man. This is a lady-driven Lexus. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, is she low? She's lowering it. Let me talk. First off, that's a hell of a dramatic entrance. I like that. The little car Limbo is not even in this competition, and he's doing it. What's your name?
Brianna, but everyone calls me B.
Everyone calls you B, so we're gonna call you B. We're gonna have fun. Look at this. There's all kinds of fun stuff going on with this Lexus. It looks good, but does it sound good? Zosh, we're gonna have you.
One way to find
Zosh, find out for me. Find out for me, Zosh.
All right, let's hear it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, look who's come to join us. Oh.
What up,
You pull up. You find out for me. All right, you do this.
No, I'm trying to find out what's up, man. Nobody could beat this guy right here?
Not yet.
This guy already took out like what, 15 cars?
Almost.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll talk about
How many?
mathematics later.
10? All right, let's see what's up, man.
Let's ask the crowd. Let's see how they like this Mustang.
All right, hold up, man. Who's for the Mustang? Make some noise. It's about 10 of you, man. And who's with my boy over here? Oh, man, you gotta kick rocks, homie. You gotta kick rocks. What's up?
No check, find out.
Sponsored by? Who you sponsored by? All right, we're gonna see what's up.
Sponsored by the homies.
Sponsored by his homies.
Noel. Wait. Now let's hear
Me coming back here was a mistake.
Go ahead, wrap it up. Wow, I think we
had some
Yup, that's pretty much all I filmed for the actual event. But man, Noel, actor Noel, Hector, he did his thing on the mic. You saw me. That was my first time I've ever done that, so I was like, it's weird that how I do YouTube and you expect me to be this most outgoing, like, you know, you know what I mean? But I'm the total opposite. Like I don't know, it was weird. I gotta get used to doing that for sure. I gotta get used to hosting things. Yeah, I think that's what I gotta get used to that because, yeah. All right, back to the vlog. You are a king. Oh shit. Fuck. I had to be high from all the secondhand smoke in California. I can't even explain that. I don't even know. Yeah, so I'm an idiot. I just tried to film a cool little transition shot that clearly cost me my camera. Yeah, I see why people think I'm on drugs or I do drugs. 100%. Without a doubt. I see it. IFO is over. It is my last day here in California. And to sum this trip up, I flew across the country to buy 2 pairs of Nike SBs. I don't know, what should I title this video? Like, I flew across the country for this. Oh no, I need a good thumbnail though for that. Interesting. I don't know. Damn it. This YouTube thing, this might not work out for me. I bet if I drink that bottle of water, I won't get charged. I can't do that to my dog, Cliff, man. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. That's it, man. That's my trip. IFO was great. I'm sorry I didn't get enough footage. I was actually working the event. So look out for their YouTube video of that. I'll leave a link down to Import Face Off. I probably got a booger right now. I got a booger, let me find. I'll be sure to leave a link down below to IFO's YouTube channel so you guys can go over there and subscribe and watch the video. I did do some cool stuff for them, which is awesome. Thank you, Cliff, for this opportunity to work with you on this, man. Thank you. It really warms me and my pockets heart up because, you know, I'm broke. So that helps a lot. You feel it? And yeah, today was kind of sad too because the whole Kobe Bryant thing, man. Like, I don't want to talk too much about it. Wow, this bed is ass. But man, it's Kobe, bro. Like, when you shoot the jumper into a trash can, what do you yell? You don't yell Jordan. You don't yell. You yell Kobe, bro. Kobe is the GOAT. I'm gonna call it a night, and I shall see you guys in the morning.
There's a bus there.
Thank you. Oh, I can't end the video yet. I gotta tell you guys the shoes I got. So, this is one of the SBs I got. These are called, I forgot. I think they're called like reverse bears, reverse wheat, something like that. I don't know. I can't remember. And then I got this. These are called low iron. Pretty sure like low iron. I think these are low iron SBs, and these are pretty sure these are called reverse wheat, man. I don't know, but these are flames. These are fire. Alright, now I can leave. Thank you. Bye. Oh, thank you to Cliff, to Keegan, to Tanner for being such great company and for allowing me to go with them on this trip. It was super fun. I had a great time out there in California. I hated the weather. Weather was trash. But other than that, had a fantastic time. Link down below to IFO's YouTube channel. Go subscribe and watch when their video drop. It's a good one. I'm in it. I know y'all love your boy. And if you do love your boy, Zosh MFG down below. You know what's sad? I got like 230-something thousand subscribers, right? I got people that I talk to regularly that are like avid fans of the channel. And I don't want to talk about it. It's whatever. If you can support, thank you. If not, thank you. I'm out. Peace.